I will talk about how can you change language on your Whoosh app. We'll go to figure out the solution or know how you can do that on your app. So you just follow these ways, then it's going to work with you. All you have to do inverse, you just go down, click here on money down here, just click on it. So then it's going to take you to next step here. It's going to show for you like this. You click here on your name, you just click on it. So then you come to next step, it's going to show for you like this. Then you come here to language, you just click on it. Then here can you select your language or add your language here. So that's all you have to do. I wish now you are great, that's all. So thank you for your watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe. So thank you for your watching.